Hello everyone, welcome back to Turbo Car Choice, the place where style, performance, and smart buying decisions come together. If you love compact SUVs that look premium, drive smooth, and fit perfectly into daily life, today's video is for you. Right now in front of us is the 2025 Kia Seltos in a clean and classy white color, and trust me, this SUV looks even better in real life. The first thing you notice about the 2025 Kia Seltos is its bold and modern design. The white exterior gives it a sharp, elegant presence, especially with the updated front grille, sleek LED headlights, and aggressive daytime running lights. From the side, the strong body lines and sporty alloy wheels make it look more expensive than its class. At the back, the connected LED tail lamps add a premium touch that really stands out at night. Step inside, and the cabin feels surprisingly upscale. Kia has focused a lot on comfort and technology this year. The dual-screen setup looks futuristic and is easy to use. You get a digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system that makes every drive enjoyable. The white Seltos also feels bright and spacious inside, with plenty of headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Kia Seltos offers multiple engine options depending on the market. Whether you choose the fuel-efficient engine for city driving or the turbo option for more excitement, the Seltos delivers smooth acceleration and confident handling. The suspension is tuned for comfort, making rough roads feel much easier, while the steering feels light and responsive, perfect for daily use. Safety is another strong point. The 2025 model comes with advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control in higher trims. This makes the Seltos a smart choice for families as well as new drivers. Overall, the 2025 white Kia Seltos is a complete package. It looks stylish, feels premium, drives comfortably, and offers excellent value for money. If you're planning to buy a compact SUV that stands out without being too flashy, this one definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Turbo Car Choice, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more exciting car videos.